Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take macro photos on iPhone Pro. So in front of me, I have iPhone 16 Pro, and to take macro photos on any Pro version of iPhone, so that is starting from 13 Pro or even newer, let's open camera, and basically all you're gonna do is move your iPhone's camera very close to a subject, and the camera will automatically switch to macro mode. So let me show you on visual example instead of explaining you on without example. So I pointed my camera on this flower, and as you can see in the bottom left corner of your screen, this yellow icon of flower, and that indicates that macro mode is on. As you have seen, I did not turn on anything. It switched to camera mode. My iPhone camera automatically switched to this macro mode. So let me show you once again. I need to cover my camera so that this macro mode is disabled. Okay, so once again, as you can see, icon appears and macro mode is on. Okay, but if the image starts to blur a little bit, you can try moving slightly back, or you can tap this 0.5x camera in order to remove this blurry effect. Okay. Let me switch to regular 1x and let's take this picture. So let's see the result. As you can see, the photo is not blurry, it is clear and perfectly fine. Okay, additionally, you can manually disable this macro mode when it's enabled if you don't need that. But let me show you one more setting. Let's go to settings and let's scroll down to camera section. Now let's find here macro control, and please you can enable it, and if you enable it, this will display that yellow flower icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, which allows you to automatically turn off automatic macro switching if you need that. Okay, and I feel like that is basically it. Some more tips on macro mode is that you have to use good lighting, and of course you need to set some focus. So to do that, you need to tap on specific area of the screen you want to focus on. And for sharpest and clearest results, you need to keep your hands steady. And I feel like that is basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.